Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mac acting up, lagging a little, or just want to the latest features, it might be time to update your macOS. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to update your Mac. Let's get straight into it. Click on the Apple logo at the top left corner. Then click on System Setting in the drop-down menu. Then tap on General on the left side menu. Now tap on the Software Update on the right side menu. Your Mac will now check if there's any update available. If an update is available, you will see a button that says Update Now. Click Update Now to install a regular update. Enter your Mac password that you used to unlock your Mac. Your Mac will download the update, then restart and install it. And that's it. You are now running the latest version of macOS. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorial and Mac tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.